Comparison of volumes of two right circular cylinders. Objective: to compare the volumes of two right circular cylinders which are formed from two rectangular sheets of paper with same dimensions. Prerequisite knowledge: to make a cylinder from a rectangular sheet, circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r and area of circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Volume of right circular cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is radius of circular base and h is the height of the cylinder. Materials required: colored glaze paper, a pair of scissors, sellotape, geometry box, Fevicol. Procedure: first, cut two rectangles of same dimensions as L is equal to 22 cm and B is equal to 10 cm. Second, name them as rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Third, curve the rectangle 1 along its length and join the ends with sellotape to get a cylinder. Fourth, curve the rectangle 2 along its breadth and join the ends with sellotape to get another cylinder. Observation: for rectangle 1, length of the rectangle is equal to circumference of the circular base of the cylinder, that is, L is equal to 2 pi r1 equal to 22 cm. Therefore, r is equal to 11 by pi. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to height of the cylinder, that is, B is equal to h1 equal to 10 cm. Therefore, V1 is equal to pi r1 square h1 is equal to 22 by 7 into 11 by pi into 11 by pi into 10 equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 10 equal to 385 centimeter cube. For rectangle 2, breadth of the rectangle is equal to circumference of circular base of the cylinder. Therefore, B is equal to 2 pi r2 equal to 10 centimeter. R2 is equal to 10 by 2 pi equal to 1.59 centimeter. Length of the rectangle is equal to height of the cylinder. L is equal to h2 equal to 22 centimeter. Therefore, V2 is equal to pi r2 square h2 is equal to 22 by 7 into 1.59 into 1.59 into 22 equal to 174.8 centimeter cube. Result: volume of these two cylinders are not same. Learning outcome: students can easily understand the concept that the volume of the right circular cylinder formed by curving a rectangular sheet along its length not equal to the volume of the cylinder formed by curving another rectangular sheet of same dimensions along its breadth. Activity time: a cylinder is formed by curving a rectangular sheet 22 cm into 20 cm along its length. Another cylinder is formed by curving a squared sheet of side 22 cm along its any side. Compare the volume of the two cylinders so formed.